Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of butter pudding. This pudding is so delicious and just melts in your mouth. Without further delay, let's get started. The star of the pudding is butter. Take 100 grams of unsalted butter. Next, I'm going to prepare the custard powder slurry. Take 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla flavored custard powder. Add in 1/4 cup of milk and mix well. Custard powder slurry is ready and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to soak the china grass. Take 7 grams of china grass in a bowl and add in 1/2 cup of water. Soak the china grass for 15 minutes. Take 1/2 liter of milk in a pan. Add in 400 grams of condensed milk. In goes 100 grams of butter. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Once the milk reaches the boiling point, add in the custard powder slurry. This custard powder will thicken the pudding slightly. Now add in the 4 bread slices. Remove the edges of the bread before adding into the pudding. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. The pudding mix has thickened slightly. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to melt the china grass. Add the soaked china grass in a pan. Cook it in low flame and make sure the china grass melts completely. The pudding wouldn't thicken if the china grass is not melted completely. The china grass has melted perfectly. Add in the melted china grass into the pudding mix. Switch on the flame and cook the pudding for 2 to 3 minutes. Butter pudding is almost ready now and switch off the flame. Next, I am going to grind this pudding in a mixer grinder. Cool the pudding slightly by mixing it with spatula. Since we have added china grass, this pudding will set in room temperature itself. So do not cool it for longer time. Once the pudding mix has cooled down slightly, take it in a mixer grinder. Grind it into a smooth mix. I am going to set the pudding in this 9-inch bowl. Transfer the pudding mix into the bowl. Cool the pudding slightly and set it in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Butter pudding has set perfectly. I have taken this pudding out of the refrigerator. Garnish the pudding with some sliced almonds. Delicious butter pudding is ready to be served now. Do try this delicious butter pudding and share me the feedback. If you try this recipe, share me the picture through my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Bye bye and take care.